rocks are our third rock type, and they, like igneous rocks, are endogenic rocks. They are transformed by the earth themselves within the earth. So the condition of creating this rock is a function of heat and pressure, where the overburdened and overlying rock structure will then transform rock beneath it over great lengths of time as well. So that's about compaction. If we've got two structural plates that are adjacent to each other, the pressure exerted on each other at that interface where the plates are in contact and where the pressure is the greatest can result in metamorphosis of rocks. And the third condition under which this takes place is when the rocks are in proximity to a heat source, like a batholith. So what ends up happening then is the rock crystalline structure becomes larger and more robust and exceptionally stable. So these are some of the best rocks if you want to build something, monuments, things like that, are from metamorphic rocks. So what these rocks look like is pretty interesting while they're in the metamorphose stage. In this case, you can kind of see the original stratigraphic layers of this particular rock, but they're kind of all twisted and malformed, and then they really malformed at this lower edge right here. So what's happening here is the metamorphosis process is undergoing, and then you get really funky speckling and things like this that can take place. So generally, if you've got a really strange, unusual looking rock, there's a good bet that it is a metamorphosed rock, or it's a rock that's undergoing metamorphosis. Some classic examples of metamorphic rocks are the following, where mudstones overheat and are with heat and over time will turn to schist. Limestone turns into marble, and we all, I think, appreciate and understand the value that marble has for creating opportunities for as building material. Slate is used on roofs, and it used to be used on sidewalks and things like that. That used to be tuff, which was a really light type of rock. Sandstone will create gneiss. Some fantastic examples of metamorphic rock are Mount Rushmore in the Black Hills of South Dakota. The Canadian Shield, with its enormous age, is really metamorphosed rock. It was igneous, it's now metamorphosed. And then the very bottom of the Grand Canyon, where the Colorado currently is incising, is the Vishnu schist, and that's all metamorphic rock as well.